Alright guys, so we have a quick unboxing of the Echo Show 8 stand, which of course works with the Echo Show 8. This opens up pretty easily. So just pull this tab. Alright, so we have some instructions. Looks pretty simple. And the stand. Alright, so this just goes on the bottom. There's a black part, it's magnetic, so just put it on. So yeah, adjust up and down some. I'll give you guys a different angle. Yeah, so not much to it, just tilts up or down. Okay, so it's not perfect. Like sometimes if you try to adjust it, you guys see the bottom part kind of comes up. But if you lift it up, it is magnetic. But obviously you're not going to be like adjusting this a ton, so yeah, for what it is, it's pretty solid. And hey guys, so there's to it. So thanks for watching.